Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I'm reporting from inside one of our Boxborough, Massachusetts showrooms. In this video, I'm very excited to share with you this 2011 Mercedes E550 4MATIC Sport. This E550 is powered by the legendary M273 V8, and that delivers around 380 horsepower in this application. This Mercedes also has about $10,000 in factory options, including the Premium 2 package, the Sport package, which gives it this AMG styling, and a Panorama Sunroof, and more. This Mercedes is available here at AlphaCars Motorcycles at the date of this video posting. Reference the listing on our website. The link will be in the video description, as always, right at the top. There you can view the availability, the pricing, and all sorts of other technical data about the car. We do offer vehicle transportation as well, so do keep that in mind if you are interested in this excellent E550, but you're not local to us. With all that being said, this video is going to be a thorough condition overview of this vehicle. Let's get into it. First, we'll start at the exterior of the Mercedes. I will say this car presents so impressively well. When you walk into the showroom, you would think it just came out of the Mercedes showroom. It really does not show its age. It was very well cared for. And we've also done some nice improvements here as well at AlphaCars. You can read all about those in that online listing, and I will talk about a few of them in this video. But let's go around the E550. Do a little walk around here. We will go down some of the panels at this sort of angle so we can see if there's any irregularities in how the light reflects. And on this side of the vehicle, I mean, the paint looks excellent. I'm not seeing any major dings, dents, or scratches. This little discoloration is just due to a shadow. As we can see, the paint is all consistent. Now at the trunk and rear window, everything's looking great here, and now going down the passenger side. Once again, it's really presenting the same. Of course, it is, a 2011 vehicle. It's gonna have a few little, maybe paint chips here and there, a few little imperfections, but that's what this video is for, to go over the condition and point anything out, that is obvious. On the front of the hood, there's a couple of the most minor little blemishes just from the highway use, but it's very, very minor. This vehicle is low mileage for the age. It only has around 60,000 miles on it. And now looking at the front bumper, once again, there's a little bit of the evidence of the highway use on the bumper, but you really have to get close and get at the right angle to see that. These wheels are in literally new condition. We actually had them professionally refinished. The rest of the car is in such nice condition. The wheels, we wanted to really have that new look as well. So they've got new center caps as well, but literally like the whole wheel inside and out. The inner barrel and the outside surface was refinished. You can see the AMG logo there. Even look at the rotor, and you might be able to see the inside of the wheel surface as well. But we did new brakes all around and tires. So you can view that on the online listing, but this car has a full set of literally new Continental Extreme Contact tires and new brakes front and rear. So there's not one bit of cosmetic imperfection on these wheels. And I mean, you can see how nice the brakes look in there. And we always use the premium parts here. You can see the rotor hat. It is treated and painted with the anti-corrosive coating. And you've got these big drilled front rotors as a standard on these vehicles, but they are new. And yeah, now that we've seen all the wheels, which look amazing, let's go over, I guess, some of the glass and upper parts of it. It's got the panoramic sunroof, which the glass up there looks really nice. The rest of the glass and the chrome trims and everything look good as well. I will say it is tinted. I'm sure you can tell. We have a little thing telling you about it in the online listing, but pretty much it is tinted. We read the side windows, they read around 5%. We're leaving it on the vehicle because depending on, the potential owner, they may live in a state where they're gonna have it tinted like this, or they might, just prefer to have it tinted like this anyways. So it is a big value added thing to someone who would like the tint. So we're gonna leave it just in case. And then if there is the buyer, if you want the vehicle but you don't want the tint, just talk to our team and we'll get you the cost to safely remove that. But back to the exterior condition, I think the last thing we have to do is just review the sort of trunk panel and rear bumper, which, this all looks excellent as well. The valance down here and the chrome dual exhaust tips. The taillight lenses look good as well. The badging, the chrome, it's all in really nice condition. All right, well, let's get inside the E550 now. We'll start at the trunk. I will have a little light with me to make things easier to see in the showroom. Looking inside the vehicle can be a little dim sometimes. But we have the floor mats, factory floor mats. You can see the Mercedes-Benz badging there. And that looks to be in excellent condition. You can see there's really no wear whatsoever or anything embedded in these mats. And now with the mats removed, I just want to show the condition of the cargo compartment. And everything's looking great here. There is one of the factory items with the car. There you go, first aid kit there. And we can even look under the cargo floor where we'll find the spare tire with the tools as you see there. And the unibody condition, the trunk floor down here, that all looks excellent as well. Now we can use our power trunk closer, which works awesome. There you go. Now let's get into the interior. I'm gonna open the other rear door as well so we can get some more light in here. So let's do that. And yeah, looking at the sort of seating surfaces back here, it all looks to be in excellent condition. Let me twist the seatbelt. But yeah, everything looks really nice. This car does have the rear sunshade as well, which you can put up and down. That works really good. Here's this door panel condition. And looking at the door edges, and even in the door jambs, it's super clean. There's no corrosion or anything like that. And it does have the lighting that shines the Mercedes logo down. Those are the puddle lights. And of course, if it was nighttime or a bit darker, that is nice and clear and bright. And yeah, you can see the carpet condition is nice. Back of the seats. That panoramic sunroof, so both the front and rear passengers get the full experience. And the headliner is nice as well. You can see all around. Headliner looks really good. Let's look at this door panel now, which looks really nice. And same thing, door edges, the gaskets. There's no built up debris or corrosion to be seen. Now let's make our way to the front of the E550. Opening our passenger door, let's take a look in here. And yeah, the window controls, seat controls, everything is looking really nice. The armrest, same thing with the door edges. All four doors have that Mercedes puddle light as well. And yeah, door jamb. Another option on this car, a standalone option, is these illuminated door sills, which are super cool. The front two door sills have those. And yeah, passenger seat condition. Everything looks great. You can see some of that lighting. Car has a lot of really cool ambient lighting. And yeah, carpet condition, center console, an armrest from this side. We'll open that up and take a look when we get to the driver's side. I'll actually leave this open so we can have some more light. Now at the driver's side, window switches, common contact points, everything looks really, really good. Door jamb, lower part of the door. Yeah, everything is looking really very nice. Here's the VIN plate. And once again, illuminated door sill. Driver's seat is in really, really nice condition. Little to no wear at all. So this vehicle was, definitely well cared for over the years, and the Carfax report does show a good bit of dealer maintenance over the years as well. Let's step in the E550. Just take a quick peek at things. We can turn on the ignition and everything will come to life here. And I'll turn off the radio. But yeah, ventilated and heated seats up here. You can see all the buttons and everything look great, all the finishes. This is that rear sunshade, which I'll show you works great. And then after this, I'll show you the panoramic sunroof functions. But yeah, that goes up and down as it should. It's very smooth. And now at the panoramic sunroof, just going to show you the shades work good. And the shades are in good shape as well. And then we can retract them. And then of course this forward portion of the panoramic sunroof, we can open up here. And just want to show it's all very smooth and works excellent. And we'll close it back down. There we go. And yeah, dashboard condition, it's very good. You can see it's factory Mercedes glass. It has the stamping on each side, which I can confirm that on the outside. But we can start the car briefly. 61,722. And you can see no warning lights or anything, starts right up. Automatic lights are on since it's a little dark in the showroom, but you can see like all these functions, they work great. Dual zone climate. And we can even go to our navigation here. The screen's very responsive. The navigation location's accurate. All looks really good. And now we can take our key out. And I believe the last thing we're gonna do is pop the hood. And let's take a look at this legendary V8 that Mercedes has powering this W212 E550. So things are really clean and orderly under here. This cover for the battery contact, you can see works great. I just mentioned that we had it open because when we have our vehicles here in our showroom, we keep them on battery tenders. And yeah, I mean, everything looks really nice. You can see even like the fittings for these hydraulic lines here. This is an air fitting here. Everything's in really nice condition. There's no obvious corrosion or anything, even on the inner sheet metal structure there and the shock towers and such. And underside of the hood looks good too. There is the factory insulation still there. And lastly, just confirming, there you go. There's the factory glass there. And you can see right there, the camera focus, factory glass. It even has factory wipers. You can see the little logo on the end of the wiper. You only get that when you buy the wipers from the dealer. The aftermarket wipers, they aren't gonna have the Mercedes stamp on the end there. So that's also a testament to how well this car was cared for. It even has factory wiper blades on it. So now that we've taken the complete look at the E550, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in this vehicle, please view it on our website, alphacars.com. We always have these cool little QR codes here. If you come here in person, you can just scan this with your phone and it takes you to the listing. But the listing is linked at the top of the description, as I mentioned earlier. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please leave a like on the video if it was helpful or you enjoyed watching, and subscribe so then you don't miss the future motoring content.